So in today's video, we'll try to see Scratch program to write a script. So using which we can write a story. So we'll start. So we have already created a script. We'll just share that and explain the basics. So here we have created 3 different scenes and different sprints are used. So here we have a sprint 1 and the referee and the all others are the audience. So if you want to create a background, you go here and click and you can go to paint and inside that you can create this background scene whatever you want. So we have to go here for background and here you can select any background you want and then modify as required. So here we have, if you go to backdrops, here you can see many backdrops. So some we have created and we are using 3 different scenes and 3 different backgrounds. So if you want to add a sprint, you can go here and choose a sprint you want and edit it. So if you see here, we have created sprint 1. Here the different costumes in the sprint, and this is a referee with different costumes. You can copy paste and create the names as per the story goes. You can keep changing them. So these are the 4 audience. So for now we'll see how to write the code. Now you go to the code portion and see, for example, this D is initially hidden. So that's why we have a, this is the flag. When the flag is selected, it will be hidden only. So when this will be shown only when we receive the message 14. So this is one example of a script for this person. So similarly for Ben, this is a script. So because these are all the audience, see the similar script is there. So only the biggest script for which we are using is the sprint as well as the referee. You can see. You can see, so when it starts, right, so you have to say when clicked. When clicked, it is showing and the initial background will be circle and then the sprint will be moving here and there with different costumes and it will say hello. So this hello will be captured in a message 1. So once this message is received, then the other person has to speak. So that is how this message goes. So if you see message 1, the corresponding message 1 will be replied by the referee. So you will not receive this message by the same sprint. You can see here. So this message will be referenced by the referee. So if you see here, referee 1. So once the referee receives the message, he replies to the message and waits for the 30 seconds. This is how you can keep writing the story. We will just run through the script and show you the output. You can make the screen big with this and then you can start running. Start.
Hello.
Hello, what do you want?
I want to run fast. Will you help me?
Okay,
Thank you so much.
come tomorrow.
Sure.
Start practicing.
Okay.
Tomorrow is the competition.
Okay.
All the best.
I won.
So now, what are the different features we have used? Now you have seen the program, so how it runs. So how to add speech, how to add motion, so everything you can see here. So if you want to have a look, so you can select here and you can add the different ways what they say. So if you want to change the size, change the color and then show, hide, everything is here. So if you want to go to a particular position, so if you want to add a sound, just go to sound and play sound until it is done or start the sound and stop it and change the pitch level of the sound and clear the sound, volume increase, decrease. All these things you can add. You can add events. So these are the different events, changing the background, loudness. If you receive a message or broadcast messages, it goes to everyone, and this is what it broadcasts and waits for the reply to start. So like that, different things you can use. And there are controls. So this is control is for loop, if condition, wait loop, like that you can use. These are the senses. Senses when you touch the mouse cursor, what happens, like that. These are different things. This is the operations. You can go here and you can add the different extensions if you want, text to speech, and then pen. You can add text to speech here. You add text to speech, you whatever you type, it will start saying. So that is how you can use this, set voice to this and speak. So this tomorrow is your competition, it will try to say. So these are the basic costumes which you can change. These are the sounds, backgrounds. So for each sprint, say for only these 2 sprints, we have done this full program. You can see the different blocks are there. You can just see what are the things we have written. You can just try these small things. This is the program. So all these are done by message driven. That is, when you receive a message, how the other person responds. So this is the code for sprint. Now we'll see for the 3. This one. For each message, how it responds. So Danny, initially we saw the same code, just these 4 persons are just show and hide because they are the watchers and they don't involve in any of the operations. So we'll see more programs in Scratch. You can just explore it. Thank you.